Celebrities in a nutshell.
Albert Einstein, The Relativity of Genius. Albert Einstein, born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, is often hailed as one of the greatest scientific minds in history. His contributions to theoretical physics, particularly his theory of relativity, revolutionized our understanding of the universe and earned him a permanent place in the annals of science. Einstein's life was marked by intellectual curiosity, deep humanitarian concerns, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge that transcended the boundaries of conventional thinking. Einstein was born into a secular Jewish family. His father, Hermann Einstein, was an engineer and a salesman, and his mother, Pauline Koch, was a homemaker with a passion for music. From a young age, Einstein exhibited an insatiable curiosity and a remarkable ability to comprehend complex concepts. However, his early education was not without challenges. He struggled with the rigid and authoritarian structure of the German schooling system, which stifled his creative and inquisitive nature. At the age of 15, Einstein's family moved to Italy, where he continued his education. He eventually enrolled at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich in 1896, where he studied physics and mathematics. It was during his time in Zurich that Einstein met Mileva Marek, a fellow student who later became his first wife. The couple had two sons, Hans Albert and Eduard, though their marriage was fraught with difficulties and ended in divorce in 1919. After graduating in 1900, Einstein faced significant challenges in securing a teaching position. He eventually found employment at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern in 1902. This job provided him with the financial stability to continue his scientific research during his free time. The year 1905, often referred to as Einstein's Annus Mirabilis or Miracle Year, was a turning point in his career. In that year, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers in the Annalen der Physik, each of which would have been a remarkable achievement on its own. The first paper, on the photoelectric effect, demonstrated that light could be thought of as discrete packets of energy called quanta, later known as photons. This work provided crucial evidence for the emerging field of quantum mechanics and earned Einstein the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. The second paper explained Brownian motion, providing empirical evidence for the existence of atoms and molecules. The third paper introduced the special theory of relativity, which fundamentally altered our understanding of space and time. The famous equation E equals mc squared, which emerged from this theory, revealed the profound relationship between mass and energy. In 1915, Einstein presented the general theory of relativity, which extended his earlier work on special relativity to include gravity. This theory proposed that gravity is not a force between masses but rather a curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. The theory was confirmed in 1919 when observations of a solar eclipse showed the bending of starlight predicted by Einstein's equations. This discovery catapulted Einstein to international fame and solidified his reputation as a scientific genius. Einstein's contributions to science extended beyond his theories of relativity. He made significant advances in statistical mechanics, quantum theory, and cosmology. Despite his groundbreaking work in quantum mechanics, Einstein was famously skeptical of some of its interpretations, particularly the idea of quantum entanglement. His debates with Niels Bohr over the nature of quantum mechanics remain some of the most famous in the history of science. In addition to his scientific achievements, Einstein was a passionate advocate for social justice, civil rights, and pacifism. As a Jewish intellectual, he was deeply affected by the rise of Nazism in Germany. In 1933, Einstein emigrated to the United States, accepting a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. He became an outspoken critic of the Nazi regime and worked tirelessly to support Jewish refugees fleeing persecution. During World War II, Einstein played a crucial role in alerting President Franklin D. Roosevelt to the potential for Nazi Germany to develop atomic weapons. This warning ultimately led to the establishment of the Manhattan Project, though Einstein himself did not participate in the project's research. After the war, Einstein became an advocate for nuclear disarmament and international cooperation, warning of the dangers of nuclear proliferation. Einstein's later years were marked by continued scientific inquiry and a deepening commitment to humanitarian causes. He remained at the Institute for Advanced Study until his death, continuing to work on a unified field theory that sought to reconcile the forces of nature into a single theoretical framework. Despite his best efforts, this ambitious goal eluded him. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, in Princeton, New Jersey, leaving behind a monumental legacy. His contributions to science transformed our understanding of the universe and laid the foundation for numerous technological advances. His work continues to inspire scientists, thinkers, and dreamers around the world. Einstein's legacy extends beyond his scientific contributions. His profound thoughts on education, creativity, and the human condition resonate to this day. He believed that education should nurture curiosity and imagination rather than rote memorization. He famously said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution." Einstein's humanitarian efforts were equally impactful. He was a staunch advocate for civil rights, speaking out against racism and segregation in the United States. He maintained a friendship with African-American civil rights leader W.E.B. Du Bois and was a member of the NAACP. Einstein used his platform to promote equality and justice, reflecting his belief in the interconnectedness of humanity. His pacifism, although challenged during World War II, was a core part of his philosophy. He often spoke about the futility of war and the need for peaceful solutions to conflicts. His advocacy for peace earned him both praise and criticism, but he remained steadfast in his commitment to nonviolence. Einstein's writings also include reflections on religion and spirituality. Though he identified as agnostic, he often spoke of a cosmic religion and a sense of wonder at the universe that transcended traditional religious beliefs. His perspective on spirituality was one of awe and reverence for the mysteries of existence, a sentiment that continues to inspire those who seek to understand the universe. Albert Einstein's impact on popular culture is undeniable. His distinctive appearance, with his unruly hair and thoughtful expression, has become a symbol of intellectual genius. His quotes and aphorisms are frequently cited, reflecting his ability to distill complex ideas into accessible language. Einstein's life story has been the subject of numerous books, films, and documentaries, each exploring different aspects of his extraordinary mind and character. In summary, Albert Einstein's life was a testament to the power of intellect, curiosity, and compassion. His scientific theories reshaped our understanding of the universe, and his advocacy for peace, justice, and education left an indelible mark on society. Einstein's legacy is not just that of a brilliant physicist, but of a visionary who used his intellect and influence to strive for a better world. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, the principles laid down by Einstein serve as a guiding light. His work has paved the way for countless scientific discoveries and technological advancements, from the development of GPS technology to our understanding of black holes. His life reminds us of the importance of questioning the status quo, of remaining curious, and of using our knowledge for the betterment of humanity. In reflecting on the life of Albert Einstein, we are reminded that the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey, one that requires both intellectual rigor and a deep sense of wonder. His contributions to science and society continue to inspire generations of scientists, thinkers, and dreamers, ensuring that his legacy will endure for centuries to come.